Hello everyone, this is Shubhadra Singh and today we are going to discuss about the analytical constants of the fatty acid, that is the saponification value. In this video lecture, by using a pictorial representation, we can try to understand the procedure of performing the analytical constant, that is the saponification value in laboratory, as well as we can discuss the pre-laboratory and the post-laboratory assignments. So what is a saponification value? A saponification number or the saponification value is defined as the number of mg of potassium hydroxide required to saponify 1 gram of oil or fat. That is to neutralize completely the fatty acids resulting from complete hydrolysis of 1 gram of fat or oil. This is the reaction which is involved. It is a triacyl glycerol unit which is when treated with the alkali, that is the KOH, will produce the glycerol and the soap. Now what are the analytical importance of a saponification value? The saponification value gives an idea about the molecular weight of fat or oil. The smaller the saponification value, the higher the molecular weight. For example, butter. Butter has a large proportion of lower fatty acids than lard and tallow and has high saponification value. Coconut oil also has a comparatively higher saponification value. As the average molecular weight of oil or fat depends upon the average length of the carbon chain of the fatty acid components, the saponification value also gives an indication of the average length of the carbon chain in the oil or the fats. Saponification, that is the soap making, is a process used to synthesize glycerol and soap in industry. Saponification is also used by wet chemical fire extinguisher to convert burning fats and oils into non-combustible soap, which helps in extinguishing the fire. Now what is the procedure? In procedure, we can weigh accurately about 2 gram of oil in a conical flask. Then dissolve the oil in 25 ml of 0.5 normal alcoholic KOH solution. Now attach a reflex water condenser to the flask and add some boiling chips. Heat the flask in the water bath for about half an hour and after half an hour stop heating. The heating is done to complete the saponification reaction. Now after half an hour, titrate the excess alkali with a standard 0.5 normal HCl, adding 1 ml phenolphthalein indicator until the color of the indicator changes. The color changes from pink to the colorless. The number of ml of acid required is noted as A. Now carry out a blank test upon the same quantity of KOH solution at the same time under the same conditions. The number of ml of acid required is noted as B. Now calculate the saponification value by using this formula. The saponification value is equal to B, that is the blank test record, minus A, that is the number of ml of HCl required for oil, into 56.11 into N divided by W, where 56.11 is the molecular weight of the potassium hydroxide, B is the number of ml of HCl required for blank titration, A is the number of ml of HCl required for oil, N is the normality of the HCl solution, W is the weight in gram of the sample taken. Now let's understand the procedure with a pictorial diagram. weigh 2 gram of fat or oil in a beaker. Transfer this weighed amount of fat or oil in a conical flask and then add 25 ml of 0.5 normal alcoholic KOH solution to dissolve this. Now we can heat the flask on a boiling water bath for 30 minutes. Leave to cool to room temperature. Now we can add 1 ml of the phenolphthalein indicator, which will provide a pink color to the solution, and then we can titrate this content with 0.5 normal HCl solution, which is taken in the burette. We can observe the color change from pink to colorless. We can repeat the titration 3 times to get the precise result. And after performing this procedure, we can report our reading in the observation table. The observation table is discussed in the slides further. Now, what are pre-lab assignment for the saponification value? The queries which can be asked is: define saponification value and give application of saponification value, which we have already discussed. Write reaction involved in the synthesis of soap in industry. What is a hard and soft soap? And for this question, the answer you can refer to my previous video of saponification reaction. The other question is: naturally derived soaps consist of a soluble salt of long chain fatty acid. Justify. As we all know that soaps are made from the sodium and potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acids, and their preparations and their properties such as leathering and softness depends upon the length of the carboxylic acid chain. The next query may be asked is: for effective cleansing action of soap, its fatty acid unit contains how many carbon atoms? So for effective cleansing action of soap, its free fatty acid unit must contain 12 to 18 carbon atom. Soaps with less than 12 carbon are comparatively soluble in water as soap, and soaps containing more than 22 carbon are not useful as soap because of insolubility in water. So these are the pre-laboratory assignment questions. Now this is the observation table which we can prepare after performing the procedure. In the observation table, we can draw the initial burette reading, and then the final burette reading. We can repeat the titration for 3 times to get a precise result, and both of these all the three values are used to calculate a average result, which is used in calculation of the saponification value. Now coming to the post lab assignment or a numerical which can be asked related to the saponification value. So what is the question? An oil sample of the saponification value 180 mg KOH was saponified using 0.4 normal alcoholic KOH solution. The blank titration reading was 50 ml of 0.4 normal HCl solution. Find the quantity of the alcoholic KOH consumed by the oil per gram. So the formula is saponification value is equal to the blank titration reading minus the back titration reading into the normality of KOH into 56 divided by weight of the oil. So the value of the saponification value is 180. It is written here, an oil sample of saponification value 180 mg. So the value is 180 is equal to the blank titration reading is 50 ml. It is written here in the question. The blank titration reading was 50 ml of. So the blank titration reading is 50 minus back titration reading we have to calculate into the normality of KOH is 0.4 normal HCl, which is given in the question, into 56 divided by the weight of the oil is also written that consumed by the oil per gram. So the weight of the oil is 1. So we can divide the value by 1. So after solving this value, we can get 22.4. So it is written as 180 is equal to 50 minus back titration reading into 22.4. By solving this equation in different steps, we can get the quantity of alcoholic KOH required per gram is 42 ml. So this is how we can calculate the saponification value by using the saponification value equation. And the result which we can obtain is reported in the result. That is, the saponification value of the given oil or the fat is 42 is 180, which is given in the question, but we can calculate it by the reading which we can obtain in the observation table by using the same formula. So this is all about saponification value. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.